What do you fancy?
So I was thinking about it. I just saw the film the other day, and yeah, just thought that Chris Hemsworth haircut we're talking about. Just maybe without the zigzags on the side though.
So there probably won't be that much coming off the top really.
Yeah.
Because it seems like wherever you've had it cut last, the whole thing was almost the same length all over.
Yeah.
So we'll take quite a bit off of this.
Okay.
But then this we won't be taking much off. How short can we go on the sides?
Yeah, short's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's just as long as it looks professional for work, that's all we kind of...
Yeah, I mean once you get rid of all this kind of stuff around here, it's going to look better anyway.
Sweet.
Because it's kind of grown out and got over the years.
Yeah, yeah. It goes really quick, it gets really untidy really quick. So
maybe we'll work. Are you cool to go down to a 2?
Let's go for it.
Yeah? So I just want to work reasonably classic textured crop with short perimeter, a little bit more of a textured finish through the top, but we're going to work more of an irregular layer so that it's a lot easier to create the texture with a lot less effort. So because Sunil's got slightly finer, softer hair, we're going to build more of a graduation first rather than just boning it off, which is going to help keep more weight through the top and through the curve of the head. Gives us a little bit of leeway as well and something to aim for when we are working our clipper wear, so we don't go too short or too high. So again, Sunil wants to keep it reasonably professional, so we don't want to start taking a 2 right up to the curve and making it too aggressive. Where Sunil's hair is a little bit softer in texture, it's not going to be a lot before it's too short and it starts to look a bit too see-through, especially considering one of his sort of requirements is for it to still maintain a professional edge to it. You don't want to go in that little bit too short and then it's a little bit too aggressive. What do you do?
I'm an airline pilot, so yeah, kind of people need to get on and have a trust straight away, as opposed to
To create our irregular texture, we're going to work square, then round, then square, then round. Obviously, for that look in the film, when he has his hair cut off in Ragnarok, obviously it just looks like a bunch of weirdos going at it with a load of tools. So it's not meant to look well done, you know. But by doing it this way, we're going to create something where we can create a more irregular texture, but it's not so badly done that he's not going to be able to do anything with it. Blow dry your hair?
no.
No?
If I'm honest, no. Would it be beneficial?
Yes. Okay. A bit like a sea salt spray or something.
Okay.
And you blast it, and you get a much nicer matte finish to your hair.
Oh really? Okay. So was that sea spray you just put in then? Sea salt you put in?
Yeah. So with this, to get the same texture as these guys, blast it all forward, and then just that front bit's got to come up a little bit.
Okay.
You don't want it to be too extreme.
Yeah.
little bit tighter, a little bit smarter, but still it's got a little bit of texture for non-working days, you know? The Hemsworth one's probably a little bit tighter and a little bit more aggressive, slightly. We've just kept it ever so slightly more, I suppose, conservative would be the best word to describe it, just because of Sunil's job, you know? He's got to fly planes, so people can't get on the plane and be like, Jesus, this guy looks like he's gonna throw a hammer at me. I mean, the top's pretty much, you know, how I would have done it for the film anyway, and the sides maybe, if anything, are probably tidier. The length's probably the same, but I think the edges of the one in the film are left just ever so slightly rawer, because again, in the film he's hacked that. Obviously we haven't put any lines in to resemble the scars or anything, and we're going to use more of a matte finish, whereas the finish in the film's a little bit wetter, or greasier looking. More the colour really that makes it different, isn't it?